Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Friday 27th of May. And the reversal wave technical target seems like it's about to happen, okay? It's really about to happen. Now what I'm going to tell you guys is that previously what you did is you made a something known as a 3 black cross, number one, okay? Number two is that you made a bullish spinning top right over here, but you see this bullish spinning top actually got invalidated. So if you what I'm going to say is go to Google once again and let's talk about the bullish spinning top candlestick pattern, okay? So from here, when you invalidate a bullish spinning top, then that means you're likely to go to the downside, even way more dump to the downside. So this is the bullish reversal that I'm talking about. So this spinning top effect actually makes the prices push to the upside, okay? 1, 2, 3, you go to the upside. But the issue that you have now is that what you did instead is that you have already taken the lowest part of that spinning top, and this is wrong. This is really bad. Previously in the smaller time frames, I talked about how SLP is making some sort of a range, and I'm gonna tell you a squeeze was happening, and I talked about this squeeze in yesterday's video, okay? So all you did is you went to the downside, came up, make a range right like this, try to break out, again come down, and from here you are also getting rejected. You're getting massive rejection right over there, and by the looks of things, this is the end of SLP. From here you might actually drop to this technical target, and I gave you this technical target almost 2 weeks ago, and now it was on a journey to come here. Somehow it has managed to come down there, and the only way to invalidate that pattern was to cross the 87 level and hold the 90 level like a boss. That's when you actually cancel the downtrend. If you don't do that, you are still on a threat. You are still on a journey. It's not the end of it. So let's shift back into the daily. But one thing I'm going to tell you is that there's still some good possibilities that you also go below 329, take out the 329 and also move to the downside. But right now, before you even expect anything like that, you have to go logically. If it closes below 329, that means that it's interested to make its move way more to the downside. So let's look at this one, right? This was your bottom, right? Your bottom right over there. This was your technical top right over here, an impulsive move, and then from there you take the top to the bottom to the top, and then you get the 1.618, which is 335 of the fib retracement. That's where your next support really is. Can you close below it? Can you close below it? Then there's a good chance that you're looking for the 185, and that's going to be massive, huge drops and discounts potentially from there to there, like 59% if it does go to the 30% if it does go to the 335. So what is it going to be? Huge discount or less discount? Now if Bitcoin actually starts to capitulate and make its big moves to the downside, like to the near what do you call this, maybe to the $20,000, you might see SLP actually going to the $185 as well. And that's it for today's update, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.